I think this turned out pretty nice. It'll be interesting how it dries. It's going to be a nice dark colour or brighten up a little in places. So the colours aren't really showing up in this video. The one next to the blue is actually a wild berry, really dark pinky purple magenta, and then it's a bright red and a gold. I make so much mess when I do dyeing. Alright, I'm going to wrap it now and get the other one out of the steamer. The previous one was a dark brown for Julia. And we'll need to add some more water. It's very hot. Really, really easy to burn yourself. With blue, it takes a bit to set. Takes a little bit longer to set. So I put it on for 35 to 40 minutes. I bought my steamer from the Good Guys for $79. It's a 2-tier one. It does run out of water pretty fast, but I can get at least one lot on for 35 minutes before the water runs out, which is more than enough time to dye most colours. So now, before you wrap it, you make sure you mop up all the colours around it so it doesn't run. And you push it together. Then I put another row of, alright, I can get it out now, stuck. Bloody gloves. help contain the colours in their spots so they don't mix. Man, this fan making it very difficult. First time I've had any issues trying to wrap these things up. Fan. Stick it down. Okay, I will update with the end product. So I'll take photos of it after it's out of the steamer and on the line, another photo of it dried, and then I will put a photo up of it all spun up as well on the end of this video. When it's all complete, and then I'll put the video out. Thank you for watching.